TA grade. This is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Mahela May
and Kimberly Senna.
This week we'll be talking about trash in the classroom, Spring Fling, map testing, and National School Librarian Day.
Hey, why are chickens so funny?
Why? Oh God!
I like this.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sayre Grade Junior High School's mission. Sayre Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition from the junior high level.
Now to the weather.
Thanks, Mahela and Kirby. Today is April 10th, and today's weather is a high of 79 degrees and a low of 55 with rain possible this morning. At the time of filming, this no other forecast we were able for this week. Now on to this week's expectation.
How you doing today?
Horrible.
Oh my Lord. What's wrong, baby?
Somebody keeps saying mean things about me.
I hate you. Wish you was never here. Who said that? Have a seat, baby. Now, what you want to say something like that? Has she done something to you? You just upset? You having a bad day? You not having a bad day? You upset at her?
Don't like her.
Why? You know, I mean, you don't have to like nobody. Nobody likes me, and I love that. I like that. But you don't have to like her. You don't have to hate her. You just got to respect her. Because everybody's supposed to respect everybody, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, are you still upset?
I think I'm a lot better now.
Get a piece of candy. You took that one piece. Get you a piece of candy, baby. Have a better day, okay?
Okay.
Bullying is wrong and you should never ever do it.
This week is the last week to buy a yearbook. Buy yours for Miss McLean in room F106 or Miss Good in room K104. The school cannot accept credit cards, so make sure to bring a check or cash or purchase online. Get your yearbook today. Spring is in the air, and soon the smell of barbecue will be too. Downtown Moultrie's Spring Fling and Backyard Barbecue Festival will be held on April 14th and 15th. There will be over 80 vendors with lots of fun activities for the whole family. The Spring Fling is this Friday from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in downtown Moultrie.
Map benchmark testing is next week, so get ready for that.
The Spring Choir concert is on April 25th, and the band concert is on April 28th.
We'll see you next week, CA Gray.
This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.
Trash in the classroom, Spring Fling, Fling.
Downtown Moultrie Spring
Fling. Buy yours for Miss McLean in room F106 or Miss Good in
Cambry.
Buy yours for Miss McLean. Stop saying recording.
Can't even breathe.
I was waiting on him.
Yeah, I already pressed a button.
This week is the last week to buy a yearbook. Buy yours for Miss McLean. No, I messed up again.